Okay, so here's what your flow would be. Like you go to Trello. Let's just say we're doing like, we're going to start working on the new form. I kind of get my requirements. I'd understand what I'm doing. La la la. There we go. So then I would come into my terminal, like I'm on master, so I'm Bob. I'm on like this Bob's master. If we're like looking at the diagram, so there's Git, there's GitHub here, and then there's Bob's master. That's like in your terminal when it says like master, that's like that's this one on your machine. And then I'm going to say, hey, on my, do a git pull origin master. That's the GitHub. I'm saying, hey, pull from GitHub's master branch. Cool. So I get all the changes from master. And then I do a git checkout -b. I could call this my name, or like I like to call it like the feature. So like front end, or like, I don't know, what was it, GE create or something. So now what I've done, so I pulled from master. So I'm like up to date on master, and then I create on my machine a branch called like GE front end or whatever I called it. And now I'm doing all of the work here. So let's just go do this work really quick. Okay, so I'm just going to do this in my README. Okay. Working 4 months. And like I can do a git add dot git commit -m, like lots of work, whatever, lots of commits, lots of work. I can do a git push origin GE create. So when I do that, that pushes, so I have my master branch here. That pushes up to this, that GE front end branch on GitHub. So now that branch is up on GitHub. I could go to GitHub and show that branch up there, and it would have that change. Okay, so now I'm working on this, back to my code, back to this. I'm working on this, but all of a sudden there's like a fire, emergency bug that I need to just go work on right away. But all this code, let's just say this is working for months, broken, but breaks everything. It's not done because I have like all of this work that I want to keep. Like I don't want to get rid of this. This is like months and months of work that I want to keep. But all of a sudden we have a fire and I need to like go fix, because when we get to production, what's on master, that's going to be your website. That's going to be what people are seeing. Like master is going to be your production website. So if there's a bug here, like there's a fire here, we need to fix it. Well, what I do a git checkout master. Oh yeah, I need to save my changes because I did more work. Commit -m. I check out to master. So this is on my machine. So now I'm back on this branch. And yeah, I could do a git pull origin master just to get any other changes. I mean, there's no changes because none have been made, but there would be probably. And then I can do a git checkout -b fire. So now I've checked out to this fire branch, like need a quick bug fix. And if you notice, if I go to my README, none of those changes are there. This is the master's version of the README. Cool. So I can come in here really quick, fix fire, get add dot get commit dash m fire fixed, get push origin master, or sorry, no, get push origin fire, because you know, we at my company we have a rule, you can't push the master. So now that's up on GitHub as a fire branch fix. You know, that's the fire branch. And now what I need to do is I need to go to GitHub. Come find my repository. So here's my two branches. I have that one I've been working on that has all of my work. I can like compare and see what's going on there. That's going to have all the changes to the README. There's all the changes. That's not the one I want to create the pull request for. So this fire one, I can go compare this one. So I can compare the changes. How's this different than master? Well, it has this fire fix. Then I can, you know, leave a comment. Here's what I did. Here's why I am good enough, you know, whatever. Then I create the pull request. Cool. So now back here, I haven't merged it. It's like waiting here. I've created a PR right here. It's still not in master, but I've created the PR, and then I can like send that PR to my boss or whoever and be like, hey, go look at this pull request because it's the fix for the bug. And then they go, okay, let me look at the changes. Oh, sweet, you fixed it. Awesome. I'm going to review it. Or they could be like, I can't approve or like request changes on my own pull request, but they could be like, oh no, you know what? They could come in here and be like, nope, not right. Try again. And then they give it back to you, and then you go fix it. And then you commit, push, and then they review it again. So they review it, and then start review. Can go back to my get things. Now I have this pull request. I can look at it, go back. I just want to go to this. Oh, where is it? Pull request, fire fix. It's now like a pull request, and it's been reviewed. Whatever, it's fine now. And then finally someone comes in here and they say merge pull request. And then boom. Now it's been merged to master. Now this step, now it's finally gone into master. There's my change. We're going to rebuild our app. That fire is now out. And then people can now pull down from master to get that change. And as you know, me, I can do a get checkout or get checkout. I can go back to my whatever branch that I called that. I forgot what I called it. I need to add. Oh, no, I need to. Well, now I'm on master, so now I actually do need to pull to grab those changes. And then I could go back to my branch. I forgot what I called it.
I think it was GE create.
There's also a command to like list your branches that I'm forgetting right now. Oh yeah, there it is. Get branch. That's so GE create. So I can do get checkout. GE create. Boom. Now I'm back on that. Notice I don't have the fix, but I'm back to where I'm working on. So if I wanted to get the change, I'm back on my branch and now master has been changed and like, hey, there's been a big bug fix, go get the change. I could do a get checkout or I get pull origin master. So now I'm pulling from GitHub from the master branch. And now I'm going to have a big conflict. So I could be like, well, let's keep both of these changes. Because here's my work, and then I can get whatever on master, and I can get that fix. And then I can keep working on this feature and pushing up to that branch until it's ready to get merged to master via a pull request. There's that. So that's a lot, but hopefully at a high level, that maybe makes a little sense. You'll get very familiar with this in the last 4 weeks. Cool. Sorry, we went like way over, but that was a good little tangent. Don't feel like you. So for now, you can just push to master if that's easier. But you can see the safeguarding that this prevents people from pushing bad code to master. And then you can work on these big features. You can work on multiple copies of your app. Like there's a big bug, you need to fix it. Well, I can keep my work the same and go fix that. Push it to, master. So you'll definitely work with branches when you get to a company. So I don't see any other way, to be honest. Cool. That is it for me. Any questions? All right, you get out of here, you go get lunch. Let's just call it 2:05. Come back 2:05.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.